Hello and welcome to This Thing's Got Problems. I'm Eric, and the thing that has problems today, well, it might be you. Did you put your bike away last fall? Did you wash it first? Did you wipe down the chrome? Did you get any salt residue off that, you may have pushed the limits a little bit of what is considered winter around where you live, which is fine. I'm fine with that. Just wipe that salt off. But did you not do that? Did you do everything right and then put it under a cover and you have one of those garage floors that do that sweaty thing? We had a strange winter. It did not get snowy or dry and very cold. It was El Nino, whatever the El thing was. It made things very damp. So now you have chrome that's got, that weird coating of corrosion on it. It's real light. It's not bad, but it's there and it annoys you. You got some hazy paint and you have those aluminum wheels that have seen better days. We're going to show you today how to just brighten it up. It's not a full detail. It's not a restoration. It's springtime. You just pulled the cover off your bike and you went, what in the absolute hell happened here? I thought I did everything right, and it's the moisture got to it. We're going to show you a quick, it's like 5, 6, maybe 7 minutes total, just how to brighten things up a little bit and not spend too much money. Real easy stuff, people. You can do this. So, yeah, with that, I really need to, wow, it's like I'm not driving a monster truck. I'm just not real stable with, the phone holder here. So, with all that being said, let's go watch the video and, yeah, right.
All right, guys, here we go. This is a Harley Davidson rocker something. The chopper they made with the seating position of a cop bike. Whatever, it's fine. So this thing was put away. It was washed, and then, put away for the winter. And then, something bad happened. We don't know what went on in that garage, but corrosion set in and some haziness in the paint, which I suspect is probably already there anyways. But the chrome, that's obviously in need of some help. It's got that weird, like a hazy, it's not full out corrosion, but it's that powdery kind of, maybe we can get a little close up somewheres here. That's, that's some more paint. You see the corrosion on the fins of the motor there. There it is. There's that whitish kind of stuff. So we're going to have to brighten this bad boy up. It doesn't need a full detail. Just needs, this stuff, like what's going on the forks. It needs that cleaned up, and, the rocker boxes. And the more I'm looking at it, the more I'm thinking this thing wasn't washed that great. So I'm guessing that's probably where we're going to have to start here. The wash is over this way. Okay, bye. All right, so I got it washed up, and I used, basically, it's a wheel acid. Semi-truck drivers will use it on their aluminum trailers. It might just be called trailer brightener, but it is basically all the same stuff. Dilute, and then you can use it on your chrome. You can actually use it on black engine cases. Do not use it on untreated engine cases. So here's what we're going to go with, untreated. I meant like uncoated, not painted, raw aluminum, whatever. Don't do it on those. So, spray away. Quad 0, steel wool, that's 0000. And start giving your chrome some hell. Just get at it. Get in. It will take this stuff off. This is very cheap. You can get a pack of this stuff at the hardware store. You can get the spray away pretty much anywhere now. Stuff's awesome. We've been over that a million times in this channel already. And that is about all there is to that. There are some scratches there, I suspect. Someone possibly trying to use mothers or some type of aluminum polish on chrome. It is very abrasive, so it will do that. Or this was steel wool that was not of the Quad 0 variety. So we're going to see what comes out here. It's going to clean up, but those scratches are always going to be there now. What we're just really trying to do is get rid of that corrosion. Bring some mirror-like finish back to this stuff. And as you wipe it off from afar, it looks good. If I can get the right angle here, you can still kind of see that uppy downy scratch. That was someone giving it too much hell. Got to use the right stuff there, guys. Chrome is, especially chrome nowadays. It's not like, you know, on a 55 Chevy. This stuff is pretty weak. Don't have to give it much pressure. Just keep it wet. It's about all it really wants. Wipe it off, and now we're going to give this thing a little quick polish. It's all I'm using is a polish pad right here. Or did I? Nah, maybe there's a couple scratches. Okay, I switched to orange. I forgot about that, guys. There was a couple scratches. So orange is a bit more, you know, it's harsh. But for the most part, this bike just wanted, you know, a black polish pad and some, I believe it was Perfected Cream from Griots, however you pronounce it. I should figure that out. A little coat of wax. Brought it right back. That is how good that the Griots stuff is. Does not take a lot of effort. Now for the wheels, yeah, they're I tried one spoke there to see how this was gonna work. Just get a little bit of aluminum polish going here, metal polish from Adams. Mother's works great too. This just happened to be, you know, what was close, and I was lazy and didn't feel like walking. Now we're not going for a chrome finish. It's possible, yes, and then you screw yourself because now you have to make both sides of the wheel look like chrome and the back wheel, which is a nightmare. So just get it clean. It's aluminum. See? There you go. It's not so bad. Just bright aluminum. That's what we're going for here. Got her all polished out. That badge could use some replacing. Everything cleaned up here. That's all it was. This was not a big deal. This bike maybe took, I don't know, 2 hours with the wash, like total overall. And from the beginning, you roll it out of the garage, you're like, what has happened? Everything's corroded and crap, and I got to replace it. And you scrub on it with wax, and that does absolutely nothing. But for some reason, that's the first thing everyone tries. Just get out the steel wool, people. Get the steel wool out. 0000. That part is important. You see, for a fairly old bike, she came out pretty good. Want to see some more detailed videos on buffing? There are plenty more on the channel. Go ahead and check those out.
All right, so hopefully you got something out of that. You're able to brighten up your bike, get ready for spring. The Rocker from Harley Davidson. You know what they say? A couple people like them. But anyway, that's that bike, and it's shinier now. So thank you for liking and subscribing and all that good stuff, and we will